Guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we will do a practical 3 for file handling. In the previous video, what we did, we have written a COBOL program and we have read the employee file and created the report file only with the bonus detail. In this practical, we will update that bonus record in the report file. For example, let me show you. So this was the file we have updated, PS file 2. This was a report file. So in this practical, what we will do, we will rewrite this 300 to 400. This is an example. So we will update this report file. So in the previous video, we have used the read and write verb, COBOL verb. In this practical, we will understand the rewrite verb, how we can update the file in COBOL. So we will write a COBOL program to rewrite the bonus records. So let's start. So now we are in mainframe. So this is the file I have already shown you. So what we will do, we will modify the previous program which we have written and we will update this file. Let's go. So guys, I have already copied that program which we have written in practical 2 in this member, rewrite p member. Let me show you. So this is the right program which already written in the previous video. So we will modify this program to update the report file. So let's quickly update this. The program name is rewrite program. This program name and this member name should be same. Then we have environment division, then we have input output section, and we will update the report file. So we don't need here employee file. Let's delete this. Also, then we have data division where file content is defined. Since we don't need employee file, we will delete it. Then we have report file. This is the file definition. And this is the record definition. We have employee ID and bonus detail in the report file. This bonus detail we will update. Next is temporary variable. So we will update WS bonus. Okay. So we don't need this WS temporary variable name, salary, and filler. We don't need. We will update this bonus detail through the employee ID. Now under the procedure division, what we need to do? We don't need this employee file, so we will delete this and we will open a report file in IO mode, input and output mode. So guys, this is important. IO mode means the file should be read before writing it. So we will open a file in IO mode, report file. Okay. Then we will rewrite para. Then we will create rewrite para. Okay. Until this switch becomes Y. And we are not using employee file here, so delete this and closing the report file and stop run. So now we will add code in the rewrite para here. Rewrite para. So first we will read this report file. Okay, at end what we will do? We will display a message that record is updated. Display bonus details is updated. And we will, so what we will update? Let me tell you what we will update. First, for employee ID 003, for example, move 0003. This is the employee ID. Let me show you the file. So this is the file, PS file 2. This is a report file. So what we will do for employee ID? For employee ID 0003, we will update this bonus detail 300 to, for example, 600. We will update 600 for employee ID 0003. So how we can do that? So first we will move 403 to WS EMP ID. Okay. Then we will move 600 to WS bonus. So guys, this we can also accept from the JCL as well. But to let you know the rewrite verb, I'm hard coding these variables which we need to update in the report file. So these are the temporary variables we have, WS EMP ID and WS bonus. So what we are doing, we are initially moving this employee ID value and this bonus detail to WS bonus. First, we are opening a file in IO mode. Then we are moving this value, and then and then we are performing a rewrite pair. So first we have read the report file, out report file in IO mode. At end, what we are doing, we are displaying a message, bonus details is updated after this. Okay. So what we will do, if not end of file, we will create one more if condition. If ws if remp id report file emp id equal to ws emp id. So what we will do, if both the employee IDs are matched while reading, we will move the bonus detail to the report file. WS bonus to R bonus when the employee ID match, and we will move the switch to Y. And instead of write COBOL verb, we will use rewrite. Rewrite report record. So we will update this switch as well. This is not end of file switch. This is a bonus update record updated switch. Record updated. RU switch. Record updated. Record updated. Okay. WS record updated switch. And we are performing a rewrite para until record updated switch becomes Y. So when it is becoming Y, when we are moving the WS variable to the report file. So let's make it to RU. So let me go through the program again. Okay. So what we are doing, we are just first defining the external file which we need to update. Then we are defining the content of that file here in file section. We have the employee ID and bonus detail inside it. Then we have defined the two temporary variables. First is switch that we need to use while reading and writing. And then we have the temporary variables, WS EMP ID and WS bonus. Under the procedure division, first we are opening a report file in IO mode. Then we are moving employee ID to the temporary variable, also the bonus detail which we need to update in the report file to the WS variable. Then we are executing a rewrite para, and in rewrite para what we are doing, we are reading the report file first, and then once we found the employee ID with a temporary variable, then we are moving the WS bonus which we need to update to the R bonus, and we are making the switch to Y and rewrite report record. So first save it. We have written the program for rewrite work. Save it. Now we will compile it. Go to the compile job. So this is the compile job we have. Rewrite program. Program name is rewrite program. Rewrite program. This is the load library. And this is the source library. Okay. So let's submit this job. Compile job has been submitted. The number is 429. Now go to spool. So this is the 429 job. Job has been submitted. Let's check. So program filled with return code 12. Let's check the error. So we have one error, end of file not defined. So let's see in the program. End of file. So guys, here we have the end of file, if not end of file, since we have updated it to record updated variable. So we will write this, if not record updated, then we will check. So let's save it. Compile the job again. Job has been submitted, 430. Let's see the spool detail. The job has been compiled successfully. Let's execute now. So this is the run JCL we have. This is the load library. This is the program name, load library, and the output file which we are going to update for employee 403. submit the job. Job has been submitted. Let's go to the spool. Run JCL run fine with return code 00. Let's see the output file. Let's go to that output file if it is updated or not. So this is the output file. We have PS file 2. Let's check. So guys, see, for employee 403 employee ID, the record has been updated. So we did a practical to update the output file through the rewrite COBOL work. So we will do one experiment. What we will do, we will update the program with the for the employee ID which is not present in the file. For example, for employee ID 1111 is not present. We have the employee till 10 only. Let's see what will happen. So we will, if not found, we will display a message. We will display a message, employee not found. Here we will display a message, display record updated. Okay, so if this employee ID not found, we will displaying a message, employee not found. So let's check. Save the program, compile it again, compile the job. Job has been submitted 432. Let's go to the spool. This is the spool detail. The program compiled successfully. Let's run the program. So this is the run JCL. We have program name, load library, and the output file which we are updating. Let's submit this job. So this is the job we have, run JCL. Program abandoned with S001, and the sys out messages we can see employee not found because employee ID 00011 is not present in the output file. So we have displayed employee not found. So that's it, guys. We have done the practical to update the file through the rewrite COBOL verb. I hope, guys, you have understood this lecture. So thank you, guys. We will meet in the next one.